Want to generate original AI music with Suno AI? Whether you're creating background music for videos, writing songs, or simply exploring AI-powered creativity, Suno AI can turn your ideas into complete tracks in just minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate AI music with Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the official Suno AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can begin creating music. If you're new to Suno AI, create a free account before continuing. Next, click the Create button to open the music generation page. This is where you'll enter the prompt that describes the song you want the AI to create. Yeah, everything starts with a well-written prompt. Describe the type of music you want by including details such as the genre, mood, instruments, tempo, vocal style, and any special themes. If you want lyrics, you can also provide your own or use Suno AI's available lyric tools. Prompts with more detail usually produce more accurate and creative results. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button. Suno AI will analyze your request and create one or more original songs based on your description. Take a moment while the music is generated. Play the generated songs and compare the results. If you'd like a different sound, simply edit your prompt and generate another version. Changing just a few words in your prompt can produce a completely different musical style. When you're happy with your AI-generated music, save it to your library. Depending on your account and subscription, you may also be able to download or share your song. So you've successfully generated AI music with Suno AI. And that's how to generate AI music with Suno AI. With a simple text prompt, you can create unique songs in almost any genre and continue refining them until they match your creative vision. Experimenting with different prompts, moods, and lyrics is the best way to unlock the full potential of Suno AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.